Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. Today we will discuss a very important topic of artificial intelligence, that is what is the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning and generative AI. If you are learning artificial intelligence, then it's a very important to understand different between all these four terms that is often used in AI words. Let's dive right into it. First thing first, what is artificial intelligence? It is the big umbrella. It's about building systems that can mimic human intelligence, like problem solving, learning, and decision making. Whereas machine learning is a way for AI system to learn. It is a subsystem of AI. It focuses on algorithms that allow machine to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming. Deep learning. It is a more advanced form of machine learning, a subset of machine learning. It uses many layers deeper to analyze complex data patterns, often required large datasets and high computing powers. Examples: image recognitions, voice assistance, ChatGPT. Gen AI. It is a branch of artificial intelligence focused on creating new contents like text generation, image generation, audio generation, code generation, and video generation. That's similar to what a human might produce. To understand it better, we have to take a real use case. Let's suppose if we take an use case in healthcare domain, then AI would be the responsible to diagnose the disease of the patient, whereas machine learning would responsible to risk prediction, and deep learning would responsible to tumor detections, and finally Gen AI with responsible to medical report generation. Let's take second use case in the field of finance sector. In the finance sector, AI would be responsible to fraud detection and machine learning would responsible to loan scoring and deep learning will responsible to market trend prediction, and generative AI would be responsible to auto-generate the reports for the finance system. Finally, let's take an use case in the field of content domain. Here, AI use it as a chatbot, and machine learning were responsible to spam filtering, and deep learning would be responsible for speech to text generation, and generative AI should responsible to generate text, images and videos. In summary, AI is an umbrella concept. Machine learning enable AI through data learning. Deep learning handle high complexity of data. Generative AI creates. It's where creativity meet intelligence. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Tech Insight videos. See you in next time. Until then, keep coding and stay curious.